So today, me and Auto Lover, I forgot the letters 1937. We're gonna be playing. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna die. I'm probably Auto Lover's gonna die, but you gotta speak louder if you want this to hear you. She's tired. She just got up, and I've been up. I've been up since 7:30, and I'm not really tired. I mean, sometimes I just yawn for no reason. So yeah, let's pray. Anyway, I was playing this morning a little bit, and they're masks and stuff. Goodbye, weirdo. Okay, I'm gonna pause this for a second. Sorry about that. I need to get a wider screen because I need to see more than just that. Yeah, this thing's glitch. Never mind, it's good. What is this? I should have this mask. This mask is amazing. Seriously, I don't even have 100. This is my first time playing. Oh, game ending in 120 seconds. So that should be really fast then. Not 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Yeah. You should have that face. Ooh, let's get this thing. If it will actually work. I'm saying, hey YouTube fam, and see what other people say. This is kind of weird, but I just said it out of random. I said, hey YouTube fam, I'm up here. It won't keep spinning, thank God. There's rooms where the Purge's people in here. No, okay, there's people outside. Oh, they can't join. I wanted to join. Oh my God, it's gonna start soon. Oh my God, no, it's gonna start soon, and I'm scared. We have to get running. I wonder who's the Purge. Who is? Oh, I wish the bushes were see-through. That would just be amazing right now. Oh, not spawning. No. You know what? You'll play next one. Uh-oh. I just fell out of the server. It's amazing. I'm pretty sure I'm dead now. Yep, I'm dead. Come on! I wish you didn't. I wish that was a clear thing that you could stand on. That's stupid. Anyway, hello. I'm still spawning, I guess. I need a mask. I have 0 money. How do I plus money? Is it Robux? Let me guess. How much is that one? Oh, no, thank you. I'm gonna pause the video for a second. Guys, following me. Waving me. And yeah. Anyway, we're gonna join you, so go follow me on my Roblox account at gymnastmaze1663. And right now, I'm with these people. Hopefully, they're not like the last people. Oh my god, those people are so annoying. She looks nice, I must say. Ugh. I must say hi. Because I don't know what else to say. I don't know what she's gonna say. I'm pretty sure she's gonna say bye. I'm pretty sure, but I never know. Saying hi everyone. I don't know what to say honestly. So I'm saying hi everyone. Okay, I just blank for a minute. She was like, what do you mean? You said something? I don't get it. I'm just joining their squad, just like, hi, I'm in now. Anyway, we're gonna be joining. Anyway, so we're gonna start the purge really soon. So yeah, I'll be back when the purge is starting. If it will let me, it won't let me. So this is gonna be a while. So, yeah. Oh yay, I can actually move it. Okay, so yeah, I'll be back when the purge. Normal purge has started. So I'm trying to like kind of run-ish. I can't really run, but maybe I can. Nope. Which is kind of sad, but I mean, Olive. I don't know where to hide either, so I'm just running around. Not in the middle of open, at least. I'm looking for dumb place. I want to see what the purge people look like. Okay, so I'm just gonna stay here because I don't know where else to go. So yeah, I'm gonna get the screen bigger. So it's bigger now. So, oh, why did I clock out? Oh, the purge people are coming out. So you better hide. Oh, oh, a purge person. Where even are you? I want to see if you were near me or something. Where were you? Western or what? I have no clue. Oh, at least I'm not dead yet. Oh wait, I'm on Quick Butterball's team. I don't know why I joined his team, but I did. Can you spectate me? Everyone that wanted me to join were boys, so I didn't. I don't even know Butterball even is a guy. I'm surprised I haven't got attacked yet. I'm in the most open spot ever. You spectate. Anyway, so I'm back, and sorry about like it being 50 seconds. I lost track of this girl. She's, I think, a purge person, and the police are right under the building, so they're trying to shoot each other. And like, I'm still alive. Surprisingly, I thought I'd be shot to death already. How many people are alive? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, including so pretty much 4 other people and me. I'm just running around because I feel like it now.
Oh yes, that's that.
No.
No, she was pointing a gun at that. Jeez.
What place is she pointing at now? Western. I'm Western. Come on. Oh, well, she can't kill me. I won! People, I won! And I will be back when another game starts. So we just died. So we're gonna play another game. So yeah, I'll be back when we're in another. We're playing Granny, so yeah, I'll be back when we're in. I'm back. I'm sorry I didn't get to the round. It was like one of those things in one person like this. So yeah, everyone else is here. Yes, I'm gonna live because I usually live on this. I do now, so I can just get around for a little bit.
I don't even have my.
I don't know why people like flashlights on. It just gives away your spot.
I don't have a flashlight on.
Well, most people do.
Okay.
Yep, she killed me. Run, Tatum. She's coming. She's gonna kill you.
I don't.
Okay, I'm pausing into like another recording. Time it's gonna be recording. I'm gonna tell you when like it's gonna like end or whatever. So yeah, no, I'm not Granny. So. Yeah. Oh, this map again. I died last time, and I'm not going in the tower because that's where like everyone is. Sorry about that. Low battery thing. Tatum, my low battery thing came on. You only have one charger? Oh. Well, then you can charge yours for a little bit, and then when mine dies, I'll need it. I'm just hiding it. I'm listening to a song thing. On Musically, if you're wondering. Look at it. It's funny. I have Musically be cheap if you're wondering. Oh, I'm so tired. Ish. I'm not really tired. Why is the guy shooting his flashlight over here? I'm gonna die because of you. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm alive. Yes, I won.